Dr. Anjali Deimari, Chief Advisor, Bodo Women's Justice Forum.
Members of BISA kindly accompany her to the stage.
An inspiration and truly a remarkable Bodo woman from our society and community. A warm welcome to you, ma'am.
We'd also like to request Miss Mona Lisa Hajwari, an actress, to kindly felicitate ma'am with an aroma and a memento. Let's give a big round of applause. May we have the name of the winner, please?
Award for Monozi Narzari Award for Best Choreography.
Kulumbai. Good evening, everyone. The Best Choreographer Award goes to Bigrai Basumatary.
Bigrai Basumatary, the winner of Monozi Narzari Award for Best Choreography is none other than Bigrai Basumatary. Can we have you in the stage? The winner will be honored with a trophy, a certificate dummy check.
I can hear the sound Gonga Raja, is it?
Omar
Raja. Oh my
Check of rupees 50,000 rupees.
I can hear Jay Omar Azami Jay, is it? Very cute name, very cute name.
Thank you, Dr. Anjali Deimari Madam, for doing this honor.
भिडिअखौ नायनायनि थाखाय साबायखर गोजोन्थों।